Road signs aren't just boxes to tick for your test. They're there to keep you safe every time you drive. In this video, we will take you through the top 40 UK road signs you must know before your driving test. We'll break down the signs, why they're important, and how they help you make better decisions while driving. Every learner and experienced driver should recognize before hitting the road. Track your answers as we go. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more road signs content. Let's get into it. Question 1. Which sign indicates additional traffic joining from the left ahead? The answer is B. Question 2. Can you identify the another train coming sign? The answer is A. Question 3. Which sign shows stop before crossing, police ahead? The answer is B. Question 4. Which sign warns of loose chippings? The answer is A. Question 5. Can you identify the road narrows on both sides sign? The answer is D. If you nailed the first 5 signs, drop a like to keep the positive momentum going. Can you identify this sign? Drop your answer in the comments below, and let's see who gets it right. Question 6. Which sign shows soft verges? The answer is C. Question 7. Which sign marks the location of a weight restriction ahead with indication? The answer is B. Question 8. Which sign indicates vehicles exceeding height indicated prohibited? The answer is D. Question 9. Can you identify the center lane of a 3-lane single carriageway road closed sign? The answer is C. Question 10. Which sign instructs to leave motorway at next exit? The answer is B. Made it through 10 questions. Drop the name of your favorite road sign in the comments below and let's see which signs everyone remembers best. Question 11. Which sign indicates bus parking? The answer is C. Question 12. Can you identify the side winds sign? The answer is D. Question 13. Which sign is most commonly installed in the Virgin Islands? The answer is C. Question 14. Which sign shows no entry for vehicular traffic? The answer is B. Question 15. Can you identify the 200 yards to a roundabout or the next point sign? The answer is A. Want more practice to keep your theory prep strong? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you're ready for test day. Question 16. Which sign represents pedestrian zone? The answer is D. Question 17. Which sign warns of the risk of fog ahead? The answer is B. Question 18. Can you identify the no right turn sign? The answer is A. Question 19. Which sign indicates steep descent? The answer is D. Question 20. Which sign represents tramway? The answer is C. Know someone else getting ready for their theory test? Share this video with them so you can pass together. Question 21. Can you identify the countdown marker to railway or tramway level crossing sign? The answer is C. Question 22. Which sign represents the diversion route? Triangular sign. The answer is B. Question 23. Can you identify the end of 20 miles per hour zone and start of 30 miles sign? The answer is D. Question 24. Which sign indicates solo motorcycles prohibited? The answer is C. Question 25. Which sign represents the cycle lane sign traffic from both ways? The answer is A. Question 26. Can you identify the pedestrians in road ahead sign? The answer is D. Question 27. Which sign indicates the end of motorway? The answer is B. Question 28. Can you identify the temporary speed advised of 50 miles per hour sign? The answer is C. Question 29. Which sign shows maximum speed 20 miles per hour? The answer is A. Question 30. Can you identify the wigwag signal sign? The answer is B. Question 31. Which sign shows direction to a public telephone? The answer is D. Question 32. Which sign represents keep left? The answer is C. Question 33. Can you identify the motor vehicle's prohibited sign? The answer is D. Question 34. Which sign indicates that a historic castle tourist attraction is 10 miles, 16 kilometers, ahead? The answer is B. Question 35. Which sign shows the disc and meter parking zone sign? The answer is D. Question 36. Can you identify the entrance to a 20 mile per hour sign? The answer is B. Question 37. Which sign warns of pedestrian crossing ahead? The answer is D. Question 38. Can you identify the national speed limit applies sign? The answer is B. Question 39. Which sign represents a crossbuck? The answer is D. Question 40. Can you identify the low-flying aircraft sign? The answer is A. That wraps up our guide on the 40 UK road signs you must know before your driving test. Which signs were new for you, and which ones do you see every day? Let us know in the comments. If this video helped you feel more prepared, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you're ready for your next step towards passing your test. Thanks for watching, and safe driving.